Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Nakabanta ban Pynrung Kyrteng Ïalade, ha ka thop Kyrteng jong ka electoral roll, khnang ba kin dupla ban Pynrung kamela ka ikhtiar ban jet economic khmat Paidbah sisien sansnam, katkum balapun ko board da ka Citizenship jong kari India. Ha ka Jylla ka balalong ha conference room jong ka office ka Deputy Commissioner Shillong. Laidan langru ka District Election Officer jong ka East Castles District ka Kong M War Nongbri. Habakren ko mokang san hakani ki Jylang uba Frederick Roy kharkangor ula kantu ya ki seng san partai bakin thong ki boot level agents nakabanta ban penslor ki Paidbah bakin Pynrung Kyrteng no Ïalade khnang bakin omsha kantan nakahok baki dei banjet Ïalade ki jong ki nong mikman.
Although we have the roles which are already in place, the 4 electoral roles which are in place based on the EVP programs that have been conducted till the 30th of November, we still have a sizable number of electors who would have reached the age of 18 as on 1/1/2020 and who would have to be enrolled in the electoral rolls, number one. And there are other claims and objections on shifting or deletions or corrections to any part of the electoral rolls which our electors need to take up. Now all this will be possible only with the concerted efforts of our teams, the ROs, AROs, the BLOs in the field, and all the sub-divisional officers and other districts who, through one concerted effort, will ensure that we have clean and very clear and good electoral rolls. To get the importance of an error-free electoral roll, and we've had the experience of this electors verification program, which, as I said, we had till the 29th or 30th of November. Under the leadership of our CEO, and as Amar already said, a huge number of electors had come forward to correct the electoral rolls and the electors to verify their electors' data in the electoral rolls, and we have found through that the importance of ensuring that we have a clean and well laid out electoral rolls. This will help us in the future conduct of elections. The electoral rolls are being used to bring out our electors' photo identity cards. The card is being extensively used for many purposes by our citizens, and it has come in very good use, especially for the citizens of our state.
The word citizen is very important because what makes you a citizen are 2 key things. Besides being born in the country, you have to have the right to own property, that's one thing. Number 2 is the right to vote. Now I may go to UK, I may be allowed to buy property there, but I don't have the right to vote. So one gets entitled to full citizenship only if you have the right to vote. You can come and settle in any part of the country, but you will not automatically be a citizen unless you have the right to vote. So the key factor why we are here talking about elections, about voting, enrollment, is also the fact that you should have the right to be an equal stakeholder in the destiny and in the future of your land, of your state. So being enrolled properly, having the documents is extremely essential. Now we have looked at the neighboring states around us. I will not mention. There were indigenous people that did not have the documents. They did not have the voting cards. Now they are left out of the NRC. Whereas people who were not really from that land, they had the documents. So, but nowadays everyone goes by documentation. Unless you have the document, you are not, you're not a legally recognized citizen. So similarly, to have an EPIC card, to have your name enrolled in the electoral roll, is an inalienable proof that you are part and parcel of this land, that you are a citizen of this, of this place. If we look at the other states, it is so unfortunate that the indigenous people, the people who are from that land, they did not have the document. And because they did not have the document, they are treated or branded as foreigners. But though they are born there, they speak the language of that place. So it's very important. I call upon my friends in the political landscape, in the political firmament, to also impress upon the public at large that please do not take your citizenship for granted. There may come a time in the future, who knows, that we may ask to prove ourselves that, and unless we have a card, unless we have a name in the electoral roll, we will be deemed as foreigners. We will be deemed as, as not being part of this land. So it's important for us to have that document. And the document that ensures you, that proves beyond doubt that you are a citizen is the epic card. The name in the electoral roll is an undeniable proof that you are, you're a citizen of that state. That you're a voter in that constituency.